Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new QSP knife that I got. I should be more precise, this is a older knife that I just finally had the chance to find it for a good price, and I decided to add it to my collection. This is the Leopard, and yes, QSP does like naming their knives after animals. So now we have not only birds or fishes or crocodiles, but also we have leopard. So inside the box we have the card with the specifications of the knife, nice detailed information if you like. Two stickers, always have a knife day my friends, and the QSP Wolf. I always appreciate when companies do not waste the money on things like pouches, coins, different kinds of microfiber cloths, like some do, and give you the most value for your money, because in the end all that stuff will be thrown out, and the knife is that what will be used and carried, and there should be the money going through, or should I say towards. Okay, so we have the model number QS135-D. The overall length is 18.4 centimeters, is 7.2 inches. The blade is 7.6 centimeters or 3 inches. And the blade width is 2.2 centimeters or 0.9 inches. Thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Handle length is 10.8 centimeters or 4.2 inches, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters, 0.5 inches. The Leopard features a Sandvik 14C 20N drop point satin blade, as you can see right there. So I'm really happy that they switched from D2. On the handles we have a newer type of micarta. They call it a Leopard pattern micarta, and I'm really interesting to have one of the versions. I have a couple of them in my collection, but this one looks really nice. It is polished. As you can see, this is a hybrid between a burlap and canvas. Definitely nice and unique. Some companies also call it snakeskin micarta, but yeah, it is what it is. We have full liners with skeletonized job on the one side. The other side is without weight reduction. The back spacer is looks like a black G10 with a little bit of texturing right there. The pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers, and it is a flipper opener. Liner lock for the lock mechanism, and the pocket clip is a folded over with really wide gap here to facilitate also heavier fabric, but also they used domed or rounded screws. So yeah, since this is a older model, I give it a little bit of leeway, but come on, you should use flat screws. Centering is perfect. It's really nice action, nice jimping on the flipper tab, and it's nicely almost hides in the scale. Okay, let's see the sharpness of the box. So it is nice and sharp. I definitely feel a little bit toothiness to the edge, so use your favorite strop or ceramic sharpener to give it a hair popping edge. On the blade we have the QSP logo on one side and the blade steel variant on the other side. Okay, now see the pocket profile. So it goes inside without any problems because the micarta is polished, so it is really nice and smooth. And let's check out also the stiffness. So this is the medium stiff pocket clip, so very nice execution overall with a wide area to snag your pocket. Okay, the weight comes at 79.4 grams or 2.8 ounces, so under 3 ounces. This is definitely a beautiful, nice, lightweight knife. The price, the MSRP is $62. So usually these will go around $48.88, so under $50. And similarly, also here in Europe, for around 52 to 57 euros, depending on where you're buying it from. So check up with your favorite QSP dealer. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So I have here also one of the newest one with the medium to small size each. This is the Kestrel. If you'd like to see the size comparison, so this is how they stack up. Here's the petrified fish 949X, the smaller one. Bug Vintage Select Small. Here's the red Model 2. And the OG China Carta model, one of the first production micarta knives that Kaiser did release. Let's continue with the small Benchmade Griptilian. Here's the CRKT Pillar 1. Here is the Pillar 4. CRKT Pete. These all are Jasper Voxnice designs. Rustic Gent from CVV. Twisted Assisted Junzi from Bestech. Bucksprint Pro. Benchmade Bug Out. CVV Elementum. And let's see the QSP Penguin, which features the previously used brown canvas micarta that QSP did use on most of their models. Okay, now let's see a few different, also similar micartas that I have in my collection. So this is the Gunnet, which is also a really nice similar pattern, but a little bit different, as you can see right there. Then I have here the Elementum with the Matrix micarta. And something similar is also used by the Concept. This is the Weasel double or single detent non-locking knife that they have. As you can see, this is how it looks like unpolished, and if you see the pattern, it looks like the same type of micarta. Okay, so now let's continue with the Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, I must say this is a really nice, interesting, smaller knife. They definitely did a really nice design to it, because as you can see, I have XL size hand, but my pinky finger does rest in the back portion because it is angled, so it sits really nice in the hand. Also, you can choke up nicely without to compromise your finger onto the flat portion of the flipper tab. And then I have a full size grip on this one. Nice functional jimping for detail work. So yeah, the Leopard is, in my opinion, really nice design. I would really like to know if QSP does use collaboration designers, or all of their knives are in-house, because they are definitely not sharing this information. But if somebody knows, please let me know in the comments down below. Maybe you know somebody who designed this, or know somebody who knows, then let me know. Okay, so overall, I must say, really nice small, medium to small size knife for around, like I mentioned, under $50. This is a great value. You are getting nice, a nice stainless steel, the Sandvik 14C20N micarta, a little bit different than all the previous micartas that have been used. So yeah, in my opinion, a really good design, and I'm really happy that I finally, a little bit late, but I added to it to my collection. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're another subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.